Okay, let's take a look at problem 1, factoring ax squared plus bx plus c when a is plus or minus 1. What is the expression in factored form? So I have x squared plus 9x plus 20. So the first step is to find the factors of 20 with the sum of 9. So factors of 20 include 1 and 2, 1 and 20, excuse me. 1 plus 20 equals 21. 2 and 10, 2 plus 10 equals 12. And 4 and 5, 4 plus 5 equals 9. So I can rewrite it as x plus 4 and x plus 5. All right, let's do the second one. X squared plus 14x minus 72. So again, I look for factors of negative 72 with the sum of 14. So since c is less than 0, one factor is positive and the other is negative. And since b is greater than 0, the factor with greater absolute value has to be positive. So the first one, negative 1 and 72. When I add those, I get 71, not 14. Negative 2 and 36, I get 34. Negative 3 and 24, I get 21. Negative 4 and 18, I can stop there, I get 14. So I can take these two, negative 4 and 18, and I can rewrite it as x minus 4 and x plus 18. All right, the last one. I have negative x squared plus 13x minus 12. I would rewrite it where I would factor out the negative 1. And so it will become x squared minus 13x plus 12. And so I'm going to be looking for the sum of 12. And since c is greater than 0, the factors have to be the same sign. And since b is less than 0, the factors must be negative. So I can do negative 1 and negative 12. When I add those, I get negative 13. So I can stop there. And I get x minus 1 and x minus 12. And I just bring the negative out there. All right. So let's do it on our own. Okay. Oops, I'm sorry. So the first one is x squared plus 14x plus 40. And so I want the factors of 40 that add up to 14. So that one's easy. We have 4 and 10. 4 plus 10 equals 14. So I can rewrite it as x plus 4 and x plus 10. All right, let's do the next one. X squared minus 11x plus 30. So this is negative, so I'm going to use negative factors. So I get, 30. So we know that it's not going to be 1 and 30. It's not going to be 2 and 15. But negative 5 and negative 6, when I add those, I get negative 11. So I get negative 5 and negative 6. Okay? And then last, I have negative x squared plus 14x plus 32. I'm going to factor out that negative, and all my signs inside will change. And so I have a negative 32. Factors of negative 32. I have negative 16 and positive 2. Oh, luckily I can stop there. So negative 16 and negative 2 and positive 2 equal negative 14. I could have also tried 4 and 8, but when I add those, I just get negative 4. So this one is the one that works. So I get negative x minus 16 and x plus 2. I hope that this helps.